his stomach.
Auntie feeding the baby bird.
You full yet?
Look at him. Off a twist task. You got a little something on your chin, bird.
Oh yeah, he wipes his mouth on my. You'll see when he's done. He wipes his mouth on my head.
Dude going to come back in.
Well, he is like eating a lot. Were you hungry?
He must be growing.
You know, I still have this ice.
What did you feed him?
I ground up some of his bird meal. It's like a bird meal, and like ground it up really small.
Mm-hmm.
And then egg yolk.
Oh yeah, I remember those.
And an egg yolk.
Uh-huh.
And just mix it up with some water, and
You should have been a
There he goes.
veterinarian. Oh,
there he goes. He's full.
wait. He's full? Wait a minute. Let me put him. You want to
I want to do it.
You want to do it? Okay.
Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
He got to go.
We named him Kelly because he didn't.
Come on, Kelly. Kelly. Kelly.
Kelly.
Kelly.